What's something people don't know about typhoid fever? Despite being a significant health concern in many parts of the world, typhoid fever often flies under the radar. Many people are unaware of how prevalent it is and the serious health risks it poses. Understanding typhoid fever is crucial for prevention and treatment. It's more common than you think, and knowing the facts can keep you safe. Typhoid fever affects millions of people globally each year, particularly in regions with poor sanitation and limited access to clean water. By educating ourselves and our communities, we can take proactive steps to reduce the incidence of this disease. Typhoid fever is a bacterial infection caused by Salmonella typhi. This bacterium is highly resilient and can survive in harsh conditions, making it a formidable pathogen. It primarily targets the intestinal tract, but can spread to other parts of the body if not treated promptly. It's usually spread through contaminated food and water. This means that in areas where sanitation is poor, the risk of contracting typhoid fever is significantly higher. Contaminated water sources, improperly handled food, and lack of hygiene practices contribute to the spread of the bacteria. So, what are the symptoms? Recognizing the symptoms early can make a big difference in treatment outcomes. Typhoid fever typically starts with non-specific symptoms that can easily be mistaken for other illnesses. Early signs include a high fever, fatigue, headache, and stomach pains. These symptoms can appear gradually and may be accompanied by a general feeling of malaise. It's important to monitor these symptoms, especially if you've been in an area where typhoid fever is common. As it progresses, you might experience diarrhea or constipation, and a rash known as rose spots. These rose spots are small, red, flat spots that appear on the abdomen and chest. They are a distinctive sign of typhoid fever but may not be present in all cases. If you think you have typhoid fever, see a doctor right away. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial to prevent complications. Delaying medical attention can lead to severe health issues, including intestinal perforation and systemic infection. It's diagnosed through blood, urine, or stool tests. These tests help identify the presence of Salmonella typhi in the body. Accurate diagnosis is essential for effective treatment, as the symptoms of typhoid fever can mimic other diseases. The good news is, it's treatable with antibiotics. Antibiotics are effective in killing the bacteria and reducing the duration and severity of the illness. However, it's important to complete the full course of treatment to ensure all the bacteria are eradicated. But if left untreated, it can lead to serious complications. Prevention is key. Complications from untreated typhoid fever can be life-threatening, including severe dehydration, internal bleeding, and organ failure. Therefore, taking preventive measures is essential. Always wash your hands with soap and water, especially after using the bathroom and before eating. Hand hygiene is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to prevent the spread of typhoid fever. Make it a habit to wash your hands thoroughly and encourage others to do the same. Avoid drinking untreated water and be cautious with street food. In areas where typhoid fever is prevalent, it's safer to drink bottled or boiled water. Be mindful of the food you consume, especially from street vendors, as it may not be prepared under hygienic conditions. In areas where typhoid is common, consider getting vaccinated. Vaccination is an effective way to protect yourself from typhoid fever. There are two types of vaccines available: an injectable vaccine and an oral vaccine. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine which option is best for you. Remember, staying informed and practicing good hygiene can help keep you and your loved ones safe from typhoid fever. Community education and awareness are vital in combating the spread of this disease. Share this information with others and encourage healthy practices in your community. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more health tips. Stay tuned for more informative content on how to stay healthy and prevent diseases. Your health is your wealth, so take care and stay informed.